This is an excavator, and these are my construction toys. Hi again, it's Bloki. Let's learn about construction vehicles. Our first vehicle is a concrete mixer. Okay, concrete mixer, let's park you right here. Our next vehicle is a bulldozer. Let's place this bulldozer right next to the cement mixer. Like that. This construction vehicle is a road roller. And you go right next to the bulldozer. Here's some equipment to help us on the job. It's called a cement mixer. Let's park the cement mixer right next to the road roller. Like this. Perfect! Hey, there you are! Do you know what vehicle this is? That's right! It's an excavator! Let's park it right here. This vehicle is a rescue car. It has a water hose in case of an accident. And some fire extinguishers in case there's a fire. And this, it's me, Bloki, on my motorcycle. I go check out the construction site if everything's going well. And this is a helicopter. We can use a helicopter to transport heavy materials from the construction site. Let's recap. Cement mixer, road roller, bulldozer, concrete truck, an excavator, and of course, we have the rescue car, fire extinguishers, my motorcycle, and of course, the helicopter. Thanks for watching. Gotta kick it, little cricket. And don't forget to
like the video.
And what else, Bloki?